Question 1. A. Within an electrical installation, describe where and why a residual current device, RCD, is used. 5 marks. B. Explain the operating principles of a residual current device. 6 marks. C. Describe, including a simple diagram, the operation of a step-down transformer. 9 marks. Question 2. A. Define and explain the following terms. I. Friction, 3 marks. 2. Velocity, 3 marks. B. State Newton's third law of motion and state the C units for force and velocity. 4 marks. C. A light aircraft of mass 1,200 kilograms starts from rest and accelerates along a straight horizontal runway. The aircraft engine produces a constant thrust of 3,400 N. A constant frictional force of 400 N acts on the aircraft. The aircraft takes off when it reaches a speed of 35 ms/1. Calculate the distance traveled by the aircraft from its starting point until it takes off. Explain the steps taken and show all calculations in full. 10 marks. Question 3. A. Explain the term radioactivity. 8 marks. B. Explain the difference between ionizing and non-ionizing radiation and give one example of each type of radiation. 4 marks. C. Describe the principles by which people can be protected from harm from ionizing radiation. 8 marks. Question 4. A. In terms of chemistry. I. Define a base, 2 marks. 2. Describe the general properties of bases, 4 marks. 3. Explain the difference between a base and an alkali, 1 mark. B. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction of lithium oxide and water. 3 marks. C. Explain the difference between organic and inorganic acids and name one example of each, also giving its chemical formula. 8 marks. D. Briefly explain the difference between weak and strong acids. 2 marks. Question 5. A. Describe atmospheric pressure, including its measurement, and explain the importance of atmospheric pressure when pumping from open water. 12 marks. B. A simple 1 nmol flowmeter has a water level in an open manometer of 0.4 m. Calculate the flow rate assuming a pipe diameter of 57 mm. 5 marks. C. Calculate the potential energy of 19,200 liters of water in a tank 38 meters above its outlet. 3 marks. Question 6. A. Radiation within the electromagnetic spectrum travels as a waveform. Describe 3 characteristics of a waveform. 6 marks. B. Describe the 7 regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. 14 marks. Question 7. A. A study of fire detector usage in non-domestic property identifies that 38% are optical smoke, 34% are ionization smoke, 12% are heat, 8% are air sampling, 6% are beam, and 2% are other. State the most appropriate graphical model for displaying this type of information and explain why this is the case. Include a rough sketch to illustrate your points. Note: an accurate graphical model of the data is not required. 9 marks. B. In the context of heat detectors, explain the term thermal lag and its implications for choosing and citing the detectors. 7 marks. C. Describe a bimetallic strip and explain how it works within a heat detector. 4 marks. Question 8. A. Identify the class of hydrocarbons of which benzene is the simplest member and describe benzene in detail including a diagram of its structure. 10 marks. B. Write a balanced chemical equation for the complete combustion of benzene with oxygen. 4 marks. C. Using the equation provided in response to Part B, calculate the following. If 250 g of benzene is completely burned, how many grams of water are produced? Molar masses. Benzene is 78.11 g mol. Water is 18.02 g mol. 6 marks.